This is the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus, the elder brother of the previous Tecno Spark 20. Yahoo guys, let's get started. One thing I love about this device is the design, but first of all, let's start with the unboxing experience. The first thing you see is the phone, followed by a protective rubber case and a screen protector, the earpiece, the USB Type-C cord, followed by a 33-watt fast charger. At my test, it fully charged up this device in 1 hour 17 minutes. 16GB of RAM, the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate, and a 108MP main camera setup. Support of 120Hz refresh rate. As for the price, it goes around $195,000, which is equivalent to 291,000 naira. As for the size of the display, this phone comes with 6.78 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with support of 120Hz refresh rate. Not even that, it can also pick a brightness of 1000 nits, which can be easy for you to use it under direct sunlight. You can also switch in between 60Hz or 120Hz if you wish to do so. Another interesting part about this device is that it comes with 8GB of RAM. There you can expand to another 8GB of RAM using memory function. Not even that, it also supports MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate with Mali G57 CPU, and the phone also comes with Android 14 on the box. The fingerprint responds so fast to touch whenever I want to unlock the phone. As for the display, I enjoy watching content on this device. Everything looks pretty good, smooth. Playing game with this device is a massive, with a support of MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate. The stereo speakers also sound good, so playing game with this device won't be a problem. Good battery life, good processor, good display, and stereo speakers. Moving to the camera, this phone comes with a 108MP main camera setup and 32MP selfie camera. The display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, making it resistant to drop and scratches to a degree. It's an IP53 dust and water splash resistant smartphone, which makes it easy to survive water splashing on it. Dipping this smartphone inside water is not a good idea at all. Please don't try that. So please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I'm putting when making this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Let's talk about other things. At the bottom is where the SIM has thread located, the manual speaker and the USB Type-C port, all located at the bottom. At the top is where you see the secondary speaker and the network cable. Comparing it with the previous Tecno Spark 20 Pro, this is the result. Both the Antutu score and Geekbench score. A 108MP main camera setup is a good one. These are some of the pictures taken with the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus using the 108MP main camera. So take a look at it. For me, the pictures are okay. It's also powered by 5000 mAh battery capacity, which can easily last a whole day. Well, that is by the way for today. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.